Our fundraising campaign to raise money for the restoration of the North Pavilion clock and its bells was a huge success, and we want to say a massive and heartfelt thank you to everyone who supported us in raising the money we needed to reach our target.
We received over 200 individual donations through our Just Giving site, and donations made directly to the house and over the phone. We're incredibly grateful for every single penny we received, and we're amazed that we were able to reach our target of £15,000 in just 2 weeks, thanks to your wonderful generosity.
Many of the donations were made in memory of loved ones who had a connection to the house. Others came from as far away as America and from former Lady Mabel College students. The clock bells last chimed over 60 years ago during the time that the house and stables were used as a college. And we can't wait to hear them ring out over the landscape once again.
One particularly large donation was made in memory of a local lorry driver, Lee Rawlinson, who died suddenly in 2021. His mum Patricia made the donation for Lee, who enjoyed walking his dogs on the grounds of Wentworth Woodhouse. She said it'd feel as though the bells were ringing for him. We're putting the money to good use already. The clock has been dismantled and removed from the pavilion. It's been sent to a specialist restorer who is just finishing cleaning each individual piece of the clock and the frame.
The individual pieces of the clock are beginning to reveal its full story. We knew that it was older than the pavilion, which was built around 1760. The clock was made about 80 years before this, around 1680.
Where it was made for originally, we don't yet know, but it's possible it formed part of the house that stood here before the current one was built. We'll have to do some more research to find out how it ended up where it did.
We'll be covering the story of the restoration of the clock and its bells, along with the structural repairs that are required in the room where the clock is housed, in videos that will be added to our YouTube channel.
We've included a link to our YouTube channel in the description below. You can subscribe to our channel for free and follow our progress by watching the videos made by a volunteer digital team. But for now, we'd just like to say a massive thank you to everyone who supported us in this fundraising campaign. Thank you from everyone here at Wentworth Woodhouse.